Hello, this is Kenta from Hanabimaru. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for coming today.
No problem.
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good. Yes, thank you.
Okay. And can I have your name first?
Yes. You go first.
I'm Fatana.
Fatana. Okay.
And my name is Edmund, aka Funky Ninja. AKA
Oh, Ninja. Edo. Okay, I will call you Edo. And which country are you from?
Amsterdam, Netherlands.
Netherlands. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I love.
Yeah, great. We will have a good sashimi and wagyu today. Are you excited?
Yes. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Do you know what it is?
To clean your hands.
Yes, we call it oshibori.
Oshibori.
Oshibori, and you can clean your hand like this.
Nice.
Yes. And I like to fold like this and put the side of the table like this.
Yeah.
You can also use this while you are eating. For example,
clean.
if your hand will be dirty, you can clean.
Oh. Okay.
Anytime.
Nice.
How long will you stay in Japan?
26th of July.
Oh,
Yeah, the
26th.
26th.
Wow.
Yeah. We
Wow.
stay for a long time.
And when did you arrive here?
18th of June. Yeah.
So,
We are in Osaka first.
Oh.
And then after Osaka, when we were staying in Osaka, we went to Nara, Iga Village, Kyoto, and then after we
Iga
came to
Village.
Tokyo-
Did you see ninjas?
Yes. Yeah, we saw Ninja Village.
Ninja Village.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, what is it called?
Sorry, you drunk? Already drunk?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. It was automatically.
Yeah, because it's hot.
Yeah,
I
I
understood.
was really thirsty.
I
yeah.
understood your feeling. Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to explain about the Japanese toast. Make a toast.
Oh, okay.
Do you know
okay.
that? How to
I
cheers?
think I see sometimes they say kanpai, right?
Yes, right. Okay, so for our great meeting, kanpai.
Kanpai. ごめんなさい for drinking.
No problem. We will have plenty of food today.
Oh really? Oh yeah, I'm looking forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So after you arrived to Japan, so how did you spend? You were in Osaka and Kyoto, and then go to Tokyo, right?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
How was Osaka and Kyoto?
Really nice. Osaka, we stayed at Smile Hotel, and it was really nice. Yeah, I really enjoyed.
Did you go many shrines and temples?
Yeah, Kyoto, we went to many shrines and temples. We like Monkey Place,
Monkey Place.
Monkey Mountain, Monkey Park.
Monkey.
Yeah, Monkey Park. Yeah.
Did you see many monkeys?
Yes. Yeah, I really like. Yeah.
And baby monkeys.
Really? Was it
They're
cute?
cute.
Very cute. Okay, so in the drinking bar, like Japanese style, we have like this appetizer.
Okay.
So this is made from radish.
Radish.
This is a smooth style radish. Please try.
Yes, orange thing.
This is a fish egg.
Fish egg.
Fish egg.
Right.
Yeah.
And she has wasabi as well.
Your wasabi is fallen down.
Oh, it's fine.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. No, it's okay. Okay.
That's slippery.
Yes, you can hold the plate up. For eating, we have a greeting like this.
Oh, yes.
sorry.
No problem.
Sorry.
Before you say,
Yes.
itadakimasu. Right?
Yes, you know very well.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, itadakimasu.
Yeah.
Okay, itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Okay, let's start to eat.
Alright. It's good.
How is it?
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
First time.
Yeah, first time we eat this.
First time. Do you eat the radish in Netherlands?
Not that much.
Not that much. So, what is your favorite?
My
Japanese
favorite
food?
Japanese food
Yeah.
is eel.
Eel?
Eel.
Oh,
Have you seen that? Eel.
it's a fish, right?
Long fish.
It's nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Never eaten.
Really? I recommend you to eat.
Really?
Yeah. So we have a sashimi next. This is tuna and this is octopus.
Oh,
Have you tried the octopus in raw like this?
No.
Okay.
So, sashimi octopus.
Yes.
Okay,
So
okay.
do you like wasabi?
I like.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Wasabi. Okay, so if you wanna use the wasabi, pick the small amount and put on the fish, and mix, dip the soy sauce together, and eat.
Right. Oh, do I need?
no need to いただきます again.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're really good at using a chopstick, right?
Oh, yeah. When I was 12 years, I told my parents I'm going to eat only with chopsticks for 1 week. Everything I eat with chopsticks, even pizza I eat with chopsticks that week. Yeah. I really like
I really like.
tuna. I really like. Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have a wasabi in Netherlands as well?
Yes. I used to do delivery on scooter when in my hometown when I was growing up in a sushi restaurant. And
Really?
then we would have to make wasabi.
Ah.
It's good.
Good. Is it fresh?
Yeah, very nice.
Japanese, you say oishi.
Oishi, yes.
Oishi.
How is
Nice.
delicious in Netherlands?
Lekker.
Lekker. Ah,
Lekker.
lekker.
Yeah.
Lekker.
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 Yeah.
Lekker.
Lekker.
Lekker. Please try octopus.
Octopus.
From Edo.
One time I tried a small octopus and I didn't like, so I'm really curious. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, I like tuna more.
You like them?
I'm a bit scared now. This one bad. It's good.
You like it?
Mm.
Oh.
Lekker.
Is it true? Right? You're laughing.
Yeah, but the way he said it.
Yeah.
This is chicken karaage. Maybe already tasted by soy sauce inside
Okay.
and a little amount of salt.
Yes.
And if you need like a refreshment, you can squeeze the lemon on the top.
Oh, okay. Alright.
You can hold the plate. I every time.
Alright. Lekker. Yeah.
Yeah,
This one I
lekker,
already know.
lekker.
Yeah. Mm.
Oishi.
おいしいおいしいありがとう Do you have a karaage in Netherlands?
No, not like this. We have KFC. Only this.
KFC. KFC.
Yeah, only KFC.
But we love also KFC.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Especially in Christmas season.
Really?
Yeah, we will be crowded in Christmas season.
Oh, really? Why? Why in Christmas?
Maybe the image of the
Oh,
and in the Christmas season, Connor Sander wear the Santa
Oh.
Claus.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
They market good marketing
Yeah, good marketing.
in Japan.
Yeah.
We don't have KFC in Christmas now.
Really? Okay, so next time please try to squeeze the lemon.
Lemon? Alright.
Yeah.
I'll do it right now.
And try to feel different.
Yes, taste the difference.
Yeah.
The lemon I like better.
I like this better.
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh, I like lemon.
No. This is plum.
How do you say in Japanese?
Hamaguri.
Hamaguri
Hamaguri. And the asparagus.
and asparagus.
Yes.
Okay.
And the steamed with together and the tomato.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yes.
How do you say asparagus in Japanese?
Same. Asparagus.
Asparagus.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Asparagus.
Oh wait.
Yes, we can. Yes.
I'll take a bite. It's better than I expected.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah, it's better than I expected.
Okay, please try clam.
Maybe a little more.
Yeah, you need more.
Lekker.
It's okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is wagyu.
Mm.
Finally, wagyu and grilled vegetable. This is potato and this is green pepper, yellow color, red color, and this is green pepper.
Mm.
And the bottom is eggplant.
Oh, okay, okay.
Do you like eggplant?
Yes.
This is my favorite vegetable
Mm.
in the world. Yeah, we usually eat beef with a sauce, but in this restaurant we eat this beef with a salt and wasabi.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Another kind of way to eat the beef. Wagyu. Yes.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Do I need to the wasabi first a little bit and then beef?
Okay, I recommend you first to try without wasabi.
Yes.
Just to try with a small amount of salt.
Okay.
Yes, small is enough.
Like this?
Yes, and eat.
Oh. Oishii.
Okay, so please, banana, try wagyu with a small amount of salt.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so try with wasabi
Okay.
from Edo. And the salt. Yes.
Yes. Oishii.
Wenji, you like wasabi better than without wasabi?
Maybe.
Maybe.
It's good.
It's
Better.
always different. Better for you?
Mm.
Oh, you are like a Japanese. How did you get to know each other?
Oh. At the party.
Party.
Yeah.
What kind of party?
I think it was Yeah, dancehall, hip hop, R&B, Latin kind of party. Yeah.
Do you also like dancing? Do you do dance?
Not professionally like him, but just like casual, normal.
Oh, really?
Yes, in my hometown where I grew up, there was a dance hall Latin party, and I went there with my friends when I was 20 something, and I saw him there. Or he saw me and he tried to impress me.
Wow.
Yeah, I did like I walked up to her and I did like the robot, you know, like and I stick my hand up.
Oh, wow.
I just said hi, and she said hi, and then I said, "How are you?" She said, "Good, and you?" I said, "Good," and then I said, "You're very beautiful," and she said, "Thank you. You can dance very well." And I said, "Thank you." And then I walked away, and then I tried to keep myself mysterious, so she kept wondering who was that guy, why did he talk to me? And then later I came back and then asked her to dance.
Ooh, like a Disney movie.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh, dramatic. And how long have you been each other?
8 years.
8 years.
Yeah, been
Wow, so
together.
long.
Yeah, I appreciate 8 years we've been together. Now married since 2 months.
Last month?
No, 2 months. Almost 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah, we forgot. Busy
Wow.
getting to this trip.
Is it a honeymoon trip for you?
Yeah, honeymoon trip. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow.
Completely forgot.
She will get angry later.
No, she forgot as well.
I forgot to.
Yeah. She forgot more than me. So before I forget, I brought a gift for you.
Really? Gift?
This one.
Wow. Oh, I like this very much.
Stop waffle.
Oh, wow.
Netherlands.
I know this. And people use this on the coffee, right? Wow, I like this.
No problem.
Wow, how did you know my favorite?
Yeah.
We are real brother.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. I really like the waffle.
Wagyu?
Yeah.
Really?
Wagyu, very nice.
Yeah. I introduced the right way to enjoy soba.
Thank you.
So please try first soba without any sauce,
Okay.
without any ingredients.
Alright.
Just eat as it is.
Alright.
Yes. And the small amount is enough for the first time.
Okay.
How go through your nose? Like the
Oh.
smell.
Smell.
Yeah.
I don't really smell anything.
Okay. After
Yeah.
eat.
Oishi.
Yeah. I think it's a light taste.
Yes.
Not so much. So next time you dip into the sauce and eat.
Oh, still a little bit more.
Can you do like this? Like
Okay.
a breath.
Yes. Very good.
Very good.
Very good,
Very
yes.
good.
Yeah.
Okay, please try it. First, no sauce.
Well, without sauce.
Yes.
So,
Do you feel something? Okay, yeah, I know. Okay, but this is the right way to enjoy
Okay.
the soba. The first step.
oh.
The second step with the sauce.
Ah,
Okay, please open. Yes. And eat like him.
This would. It's better. So sweet.
Yeah.
So Japanese people make a sound.
Yeah, for us it's hard to make the
Yeah.
I
sound.
can make this.
So this sound makes soba more delicious.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I have to practice. I cannot make the
Yeah.
sound.
Okay. So I will introduce how to make this, how to use this.
Okay.
Okay. So about wasabi, put a small, pick a small amount and put on here. Yes. And pick the soba together and dip to the sauce together and eat. Yes.
With the sound.
Make the sound.
You can do it a little.
美味しいです。
美味しい? How about the wasabi? Good for you? Mhm. And so it depends on the people. Sometimes people mix this into the sauce.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Please enjoy.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. There you already had a lot of delicious food.
Yeah. What is your most favorite one?
Tuna sashimi.
Sashimi.
Yeah.
Okay.
For me, the wagyu beef.
Wagyu. Yeah. So it's a Japanese sweets. It's a dango, like a mochi. Dango and red bean paste and vanilla ice cream.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Alright.
Please enjoy.
Let me try. Oishi. Oishi. Yeah, it's good.
We prefer vanilla ice cream and with bean paste combination. You like dango?
Yes, I like it. Yeah, very, very tasty. Yes, very nice. No, it's good. Very good. Yeah.
Okay.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite
Jam?
matcha ice cream.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Matcha ice cream.
Tomorrow we go to Mount Fuji.
Oh, Mount Fuji.
I forgot. Yeah.
Oh.
I need to pick up the car.
Really?
Yeah. Right.
Rent a car? You have an international travel license?
Yes. Yes.
Wow. Cool.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how is the road environment in Japan?
Oh, different from Netherlands. In Netherlands, very just straight, straight lines on the highway, just straight lines. And you can go someplace you can go 120, sometimes 130. Here it's usually 80 or 100, and roads goes like this.
Especially in Tokyo.
Yeah, it goes everywhere. Like, yeah, you know Mario Kart.
Mario Kart? Yeah.
You know Rainbow Road.
Rainbow.
Yeah, like this. Like this, yeah, in Japan.
Easy to imagine for me.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love game.
Yeah.
I also have a gift for you today.
Thank you.
Yes.
Oh,
And this is one of the most famous snacks.
okay.
Yes. So we call it umaibo.
Umaibo?
It's a delicious stick.
Oh,
It
okay.
likes stick.
Yeah.
And there are many kinds of flavors.
Yeah.
Please enjoy. Thank you for
Thank you
joining
very much.
today.
Thank you.
Yay.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay, thank you for joining today.
Thank you very much.
Have you enjoyed?
Yes, very much. Oishii desu.
Yeah, thank you. And I hope you will find more delicious food in Japan.
Thank you.
Yeah, continue to enjoy.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, good luck.
Be a problem.
Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.